Okay, we have this radical equation and we're asked to find the value of x. So basically what you just have to do is to remove these two radicand sign or the square roots by squaring both sides. So I'm going to say square both sides, square both sides, both sides. So by doing this, I'll now have 4 square root of 2 plus x out of 3 square root of x minus 1. And 4 square is 16. Okay? So I can now use this to multiply this. So I'll now have 4 square root of 2 plus x equals, using this denominator to multiply is 16. So I'm going to have multiply by 3 square root of x minus 1. Or you can say you are cross multiplying. So we have 4 square root of 2 plus x equals 16 times 3 is going to give us 48. 48, not 14. 48 square root of x minus 1. So I can divide both sides by 4. So I will now have square root of 2 plus x equals 48 divided by 4 is going to give you 12. Square root of x minus 1. So since we have this, let me write it here because we don't have space there. So we have square root of 2 plus x equals 12 square root of x minus 1. So I can collect like terms, or I can divide both sides by x minus 1 and square root of x minus 1. Okay? So this will cancel this. I will now be left with 2 plus x equals square root of x minus 1 equals 12. So, but we still have challenge. We have x and x, and we also have square root. We'll do the same thing. We'll square both sides. Squared, squared. So I will now have 2 plus x over x minus 1 equals 144, because 12 squared is 144. So from here, I can still cross multiply. Now I have 2 plus x equals 144 multiplied by this x minus 1. So you can open these brackets. We'll now say 2 plus x equals 144x minus 144. Because 144 multiplied by x is going to give 144x, and 144 multiplied by negative 1 is going to give you negative 144. So with this, we can easily collect like terms, right? So we can say 2 plus this 144, we bring it over 144 equals 144x minus x. And this is going to give me 146, I guess. Yeah, 146. And this is going to give me 144x minus x is going to give you 143x. So I can divide both sides by 143. 143. So my answer will be s equals 146 out of 143. And that is the answer to this simple question.